You're already on your phone all day, right? Scrolling, liking, watching videos. But what if your phone could actually turn or start making you money? Instead of you just watching your phone all the time like what I'm doing, well, you guys, today I'm going to be bringing for you 5 legitimate ways for you to start making money with your phone. Nothing but with a phone. No fancy equipment that is needed. No fancy technical review. You don't need to hire anybody, but I need you to have your smartphone. I need you to have your smartphone. Is it iPhone or it is Android? That's the only thing I need. Now let's dive in. But before I dive in to show you these 5 smart ways to earn money, the legit ways to earn money with your phone, I would love to say thank you to all our subscribers that have just come in, and even for the students that paid for masterclass. You're so wonderful and awesome. I love you, and special thanks to everybody that has started his channel or is the journey of social media entrepreneurship by creating content after us encouraging you or after learning from us. Let's dive in now and see the first one. The first one is content creation and social media management. Get paid to post on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. These platforms, they pay creators for views, engagement, and content that keeps people watching. Whether you're reviewing products, vlogging all the day, what you need to do, are you being just funny, or your content can qualify for creator fund? It can qualify for ad revenue or brand deals. All you do, just do it directly from your phone and wait for your payments every 21st of the month. You don't need millions of followers to start. You need to be creative. You need to be creative, and you need to be consistent and be focused. You need to know what you want to do. The second way is to do freelancing gigs and side hustles. Freelancing straight from your phone. You don't need to go to a cafe. You don't need to buy a laptop. You don't need to buy those high-end gadgets. No. You can go to apps like Fiverr, Upwork, or even TaskRabbit. They let you do some services like social media management, graphic design. Yes, you can design on your phone. I'm doing it. You can do virtual assistant from your phone. I'm doing it. Even writing caption of the products for description. You can create a profile from these platforms. What you do, you go to your browser, open Upwork, then follow the prompt, make your account, make your profile stand out, and there you are. You create a profile, list your skills, and start landing clients. All this one are without ever touching a computer. You're just using this. You're using this smartphone. The way 3 is reselling and flipping. I think this one came in one of the video before. Reselling and flipping on platforms like Facebook, Facebook Marketplace. If you don't know Facebook Marketplace and you're on Facebook, you guys, I don't know what you're doing. But anyway, now that you know, I want you to go and look at it. It is always on your profile, not on the page. Then Poshmark and eBay or Depop, you can sell stuff you already own or find deals locally, then flip them for profit. You can do everything, taking photos, writing description, negotiating with buyers directly from your phone. You don't need anything else. The fourth one is paid surveys and cashback apps. Do you know there are some of the apps that they want your opinions. Get paid for your opinions or your purchases. There are apps like Survey Junkie, Swagbanks, or even Google Opinion Rewards. These ones, they pay you for answering quick surveys, and apps like Lakutini and Ebolta, they literally give you cashback for shopping at their stores you're already buying from. It's not life-changing money, you people, but it's easy passive cash, and all you need is your phone. Me, when I was starting online business or making money online, I started with one of the platform that is called Paidwork. Paid work, I was only watching videos, just small, and doing surveys. So there is always a foundation. There is always a start for you to begin from. So don't say the money is small. And also for individuals, especially when we're talking about this, most people say, no, it is not working. Money is not there. But how long do you keep on that? How long do you keep on this platform that I give you? The fifth one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the fifth, but it is not the last. There are many more others there. This is where you promote products and get paid for commission every time someone buys through your link. You can do this on TikTok, you can do it on Instagram stories, your YouTube description, anywhere you're posting your content. Now that calls for you to make sure that this phone of yours has like 2 or 3 advantages. The first one is for you to make money. The second one is for you to be with your friends, to communicate irrespective of where they are. And the third one is for you to make sure that as I hold this phone, I can design anything that I want, provided I'm putting internet or data. How do you get this affiliate marketing? We have platforms like Amazon. Fashion brands, tech companies, they all have affiliate marketing programs. And you can manage everything from finding products to tracking sales directly from your phone. You don't need to look for the hassle of getting experts or looking for people to give you laptops. If you don't have, as long as you have a smartphone, start right away. So there we are. I've given you the 5 ways to make money with nothing apart from your phone. Some take a little time, and some take they can even be for a day, others can even be for a month. Like content creation, you will take some time, of course, but there's nothing that you just get overnight and it starts flourishing and it starts bringing fruits. You have to start today. A person who saw me 4 years back starting laughed at me. I remember, you need to hear that story, how most people laughed at me. But right now, I can be their bank manager loaners. So don't mind about this. You guys, what do you think about this the 5 ways of making money with your phone? Have you tried one? What do you use your phone to do? Let's just together, and you put what you use your phone with in the comment section. Do you think these 5 methods, you've ever tried them? If you've ever tried them, please put it in the comment section. And also, if you've never tried them because you didn't know that your phone is a money making machine, please start today. What you need is your focus, your creativity, and your phone. Be consistent. Set a target. I have a target for March already as I recorded this video. From January, we've been progressing. Now, my target is expanding every day. And it is courtesy of this phone. Nothing else. So what do you think? Do you think you can join me and we make money? If yes, please put it in the comment section. I have an offer for you. See you in another video.